looks like we're starting to see the remains of the ancient Indian village, Caparaca. You can see on this bluff mound the oyster shells that the Indians discarded. In 1605, the Spanish explorer Alvaro Mejia was sent on a diplomatic mission from the Spanish government. On the east coast of Florida, he documented several large villages of Indians. This is most likely the site of the ancient Tamucan village of Caparaca, documented by Alvaro Mejia. Mejia also documented other ancient villages such as Nogoroco, which is presently located in Tamucua State Park. Archaeologists originally believed that the sites for Caparaca was Turtle Mound. And sorry if I'm not pronouncing Caparaca correctly, because I don't speak any Indian languages. Alvaro Mejia must have seen this high bluff where the Indians lived after debarking from his ship and likely rowing out in a rowboat to greet the Tamucua. This is Coquina bedrock. This is the kind of rock that the Spaniards had the Indians quarry for them to make forts like Castillo de San Marcos. Along this trail on the shell midden, just think this was once a large, thriving community of Tamucua Indians that are now extinct. You can see oyster shells along the trail that the Indians ate and discarded. Here is a very large ceremonial mound and burial complex where the Tamucua would inter the dead. Today it is overgrown, but back when the Tamucua lived here, you could probably see this mound from the creek. These are burrow pits. The Indians removed the soil and built up the mound complex. You can see how massive these pits are.